Alright, well, what's up, peeps? So today we're doing a special video. Yeah, so today someone sent me a gift, and that is a tablet touchscreen HD display 9-inch. You know, so today we're doing an installment video on the Honda Fit. See me? One east side, see how we are. So today, peeps, we're gonna have to go home for watch your video. You can just stay at the car and watch the video. So we'll take a look on the tablet. Well, clean. I wonder how I'm gonna install it. You know, we'll fit better, but boy, can't wait to turn it on and watch some east side video, you know. So this have to plug in the saw. This have to attach it anywhere you want it, more if you can. Alright, I said that good still. I don't know if it can. Alright, also. But anyway it can go a bit better. So this one now. So this one now, it can go right there. So peeps, now watch me install it. Go through the book and see what go on. Blah 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 blah. Alright, so what's the way it going now? Well, basically like that. So we're gonna try. So alright, peeps, we figure out where home we're gonna install it, you know. So well, I have to go sacrifice the radio. Put it there, so right there, so hold on there. Make sure it fully lock on, none of move or move. Alright. Well, not gonna look the best, but time for it. Hold on there. I don't want it to look some more, you know. Alright, no, that not gonna work. That not gonna work, peeps. Guess if I do this, put this up. So I block the AC. Feel it gonna look good, so. I think that it easy than harder. So I have to hold the phone in my hand. So ready back again now, peeps. So what we are gonna do here now? Hold on there. So my best. Alright, so I'm gonna have to install it, right? So I arch it on first. Then we have to make sure everything right, you know. Alright, so that good. I'm not gonna see what go on, I can't make it up, you know. Alright, do this. Oh, you never actually. Alright, the clamp on now. So jump on. Yep. Alright. So this will go in here, so. Make sure it's tight, you know. Alright. Oh, you want it for the touch. Well, alright, adjust it look more. Put on some more. Alright, it's good this so. Perfect. Alright, so that not look too bad. That not look too bad. Yeah, we're there upon the works here. Alright, so I connect it up and see what I go on with. The peeps. So we're going to do now, we're connect it up. That's where it's going with. So peeps, the link will be in my bio. To buy the tablet. Alright, so it's on and on. Alright, push it to there now. Oh, clean. So peeps, the installment based on my review, nice, easy to install. You know, if you call nobody or beg nobody, you can do your own thing, you see me? So to me, I'm one of the best out there right now, if you get my suggestion. As I see peeps, I've done the installment. It appears from the phone to the car radio. Well, it's nice. Touchscreen and ready and thing, you know. Can do anything, change song. So you can just go and ease back and watch to real touch, you know. That's it. Go and take into video. So we're gonna play 2 music.
Yeah, you might not believe in it, man. You
can connect to the iPhone also.
Yeah,
and you can connect to Bluetooth. So I decided to use a Type-C cable to the phone. Or I use a Bluetooth.